Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Jade Aura joins Jordan Brand's Spring 2026 lineup with one of the cleanest pastel builds of the year. Featuring a smooth blend of white leather, soft blue overlays, and washed green swooshes, this pair delivers a fresh, easy-to-wear look perfect for the transition into warmer months. A cream-tinted sail midsole adds subtle vintage character, while the gray rubber outsole keeps the design grounded and durable. Light pastel laces tie the palette together, complementing the classic white toebox and keeping the familiar Jordan 1 Low DNA intact. Branding stays minimal with a tonal wings logo on the heel and a soft Jumpman on the tongue, giving the sneaker a clean, modern feel. Built for everyday versatility, the Jade Aura colorway fits effortlessly with spring outfits thanks to its cool tones and balanced color blocking. Expect the Jordan 1 Low Jade Aura to release in spring 2026 at Nike.com and select Jordan brand retailers. Perfect for sneaker fans who love fresh seasonal colorways.